Hi there, this is Georgie, CEO and co-founder at Servntire Global Private Limited. We are a blockchain solutions company mostly focusing on enterprise-grade solutions. Today we are here in front of the Chhattisgarh government for proposing a PoC for land record registry based on blockchain. The platform is built over Hyperledger Fabric, which is a permission-based blockchain system. The system supports multiple users such as the Tahsildar, the village officer, and the sub-registrar office. Now let's begin by logging into the system by giving the user ID as well as the password. We can view all records such as search records by ID, create new record, search by Aadhaar number, and view transaction history on the home page. Now let's create a new record. For creating a new record, we give all the details of the property. Updating the land records involves making changes in multiple locations such as the sub-register office and village office. We have created a unified system where the records can be updated together and the village officer or Tahsildar can verify the transaction and it is then saved onto the blockchain network. Each transaction added to the ledger will be verified by certified peers. Here, in this case, will be Tahsildar, the village officer, and the sub-register office. Now, once the record is updated, when we hit the create button, a new transaction ID or a transaction hash will be created. Once the data is saved, we can view all the records on the blockchain, and the data is in any given block cannot be altered without a record of the change occurring. We can find a particular property by querying it by the ID as shown here. The existing land records have scope of manipulation and fraud. Blockchain allows an alternative for this traditional technology. We can search all the properties owned by an individual by giving their Aadhaar number as seen here. The Aadhaar number of the owner are linked to the properties, thereby making it convenient to cross-verify and prevent fraud. The property can be fully transferred to a new owner and the details of the owner can be entered for the property. The property is only transferred after it has been verified by the officials related to the land registry. Now we can see the transaction history of a property. Say for the property ID 7, the property belonged to Titu and was transferred to Georgie. We can also generate encumbrance certificate for the property after being verified by the village officer. Now to transfer a property partially, we can enter the property details of the ID for the ID with details of the new owners. That is what is seen here in the change property owners page. For example, in the holding size for the property, if the holding size for the property was 6,300, the property can be sold in parts by one owner being 2,300 and the other owner being 4,000. Here we are splitting one property into two. Now, the proposed system aims to minimize the shortcoming of the existing system and produce a secure and scalable land registry system. This system will also be convenient to use and can be accessed online and has the advantage of remote operations from any office. A blockchain solution provides a solid, tamper-proof, easy-to-operate system which will be verified and transparent. Let's hope that the state of Chhattisgarh will implement this technology to its fullest as soon as possible and make the system more efficient herewith. Thank you for the opportunity. Have a good day.